So we're just having a quick break here. Look at this. Oh my goodness, we have been busy today. And I have the lovely Andrea who has come again. Andrea, this is your third time. Thank you. I'm so grateful to have you here. Why did you come? Why do you come? What do you like?
Well, because it's really peaceful day.
Yeah.
You can forget all your troubles and just concentrate on the painting. And today I brought my special friend Anne with me for her birthday. But it's a really good way of giving somebody a really nice present that will last in the memories forever.
Yes, that's very true, isn't it?
And we've all got loads of stuff. So I don't think either of us at our age need more stuff. And it just seemed a really nice gesture to do for her.
Oh. And what bit did you like doing today? I mean, you've managed to, you've been doing some lovely stuff actually. We have it all over on the other side, but this is a lot of painting going on. Which bit do you think is there anything in particular that has...
Well, I can't wait. We've started the daffodil and I can't wait to get back to it. I'm really excited about the daffodil, but I mean, when I came on the previous occasion, we did a lovely robin and people couldn't believe I'd painted it. In fact, I couldn't believe I'd painted it. And then last time we did a lovely boat scene on the lake in the summer. So it was and it's the techniques and it's that you meet lovely people on these days, you know, so I've met some lovely friends.
Yeah. I think because it's a small group as well, it means we sort of get to chat. And you were saying to me that the robin you painted, someone wanted to buy
well, somebody
it.
said, is it for sale? And somebody thought it was your robin. I put it on my Facebook page. And somebody thought that you'd done it. It was the one that you were showing the class. I was really chuffed.
Oh, fabulous. Absolutely. Well, I'm honestly so thrilled that, you know, that you've come again, third time, which is brilliant. And I'm ever so grateful. Really am. I'm just going to pan the camera over, just let people see just a little bit. We've done the first stage of that. We've also done some miniature painting as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
Where's your miniature? So that's still not finished, but we are working on that too. Brilliant. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you so much for letting me interview.
Thank you. These days are really, really brilliant. More people should come to them.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Love you loads.